Hi, it's Dave from DBeaver. In this video, you'll learn how to create a database connection in DBeaver. There's a wizard that walks you through it step by step. To open the wizard, click the plug icon in the upper left corner of the application window, or go to Database, New Database Connection. You'll see a window with a list of available drivers, so just pick the one you need. Let's use Postgres as an example. Don't worry if you're working with something else, as the process looks pretty similar for the other relational databases supported by DBeaver. Click the Postgres driver and the connection settings window will open. Let's walk through the main parts together. The main tab is where you'll find the primary connection settings. For most drivers, that means host, port, database name, username, and password. The exact set of properties depends on the driver that you are using. Each driver also has its own properties. To see them, just open the matching tab. In the lower right-hand corner, you'll find a link to the driver documentation which details each property. If your database needs SSH, a proxy, or another network option, click the plus button and choose the one you need. In our example here, we'll set up an SSH tunnel. For SSH, DBeaver supports user password, public key, and agent authentication. We'll go with public key. To make sure your credentials are correct and the host is reachable, click Test Tunnel Configuration. Once that's good, click Test Connection to check that everything is set up correctly. This one's especially handy for connections with lots of settings, so you can catch any mistakes early. You'll see a dialog with driver details. When you're happy with everything, click Finish and you're all set. Your new connection shows up in the Database Navigator and DBeaver connects you to your database. In the description below, you'll find links to the documentation and all DBeaver social channels with plenty of helpful info. If you still have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments under the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.